And I'm here with Kevin from Langdon Farms. We're gonna go out here and we're gonna sort out the winner and we're gonna call it out right now. So let's go figure out who won $2,000 cash. I think we have a very clear winner right there. Yep, I agree. What's the number?
706.
706. That means that ball was purchased today. 706. Let's see who won $2,000. 706. Brian Cooper. Brian Cooper, congratulations. You just won $2,000 in the Golf to Give helicopter ball drop. Thanks for playing, everybody. I hope you love the contest. We'll do it again next year. Thanks.
That's fine. I'm okay with that.
Hey guys, again, we had a huge year here at Golf to Give. So much fun. I'm here with our winner of the helicopter ball drop, Brian Cooper. Brian, I want to shake your hand. This is your winning ball 706.
Perfect.
It was right next to the hole, and that is yours.
That is wonderful. That's the best shot I've made all day.
$2,000 cash.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Right on, man. Thanks for coming out and playing today.
Thanks.
Cheers.